Hey guys, in this video, we will learn about CSS property column width. So, when you are using multi-column layout, you can use this column property to set the ideal column width. When you want to keep your columns at specific width, you can use column width CSS property. Okay, so let's say we have section tag or section class, you can say. You can use column width as 120 pixel, for example. Okay, and if you want to use browser specific CSS, then you can use WebKit column width as 120 pixel, or for Mozilla Firefox you can use Moz column width. Okay, so this is about browser specific CSS property column width. So what exactly this column width property will do? When you have multi-column layout, this property will set all columns equally to 120 pixel. Okay, so the browser will calculate how many columns of at least that width can fit into this space. You can think of column width as a minimum width suggestion for the browser. Okay, so column width is a flexible property. Once the browser cannot fit at least two columns at given specific width, then the column will stop and drop into single column. Okay, so let's see with real example. All right, let me remove this section tag. Okay, in HTML, let me add this container. Okay, so here let's say we have one unordered list. Let me give some class example. It's a class. Okay, and in list we have li tag. In li we have anchor tag with some href. Let's give it hashtag hash. Okay, here you can give class. Let's give it tag class name, and we can give some simple class name, or you can say a title. Okay, and let me add multiple li so we can have multi-column layout. Okay, so let me add few more li's. Okay, so now we have multi-column. So now we have a single column layout because we haven't started writing CSS for that. Okay, so first of all, let's write down CSS for our example. Here, what you can do, you can give column width as 120 pixel, for example. Okay, so let's see how exactly this works. Okay, so now you can see we have multi-column with exactly 120 pixel width with single column. So now specific li is now this li is divided into multiple columns where each column will contain column width as 120 pixel. Okay, so when you resize your browser, let's say I am resizing our browser, so you can see now we have now three columns, so each column contain 120 pixel as column width. Okay, let me change the layout. Now you can see the column width is still 120 pixel, but number of columns are updated. So let me add few CSS as well. So let me add tag. In tag, you can add margin and a few things. Let me add display. You can give block. Okay, margin bottom 0.5 em. Okay, so now we have this multi-column layout, and each column contains 120 pixel as width. Okay, so now we have a tricky part. So we can change the value of column width as auto. Okay, auto is the default value, and if you don't want to use auto, then we can use, let me show you how auto works. So when you have auto, it will not divide that column into multi-column layout. But once you specify some value as length, then it will divide this column in multi-column layout. So you can use auto if you are using column count, or you need to turn off this property. So let's say we have column count, and we can keep column count as 5. Okay, let me give you 7. Okay, so now you can keep this as auto. So with combination of column width auto and column count to some number, you can fix this column layout. Okay, and if you specify this column width, let's say 300 pixel, then this column count won't work. It will not getting applied. So if you want to use column width and column count as well, then you can use auto as column width and column count as some value. Okay, so you can think a way of telling the browser to let the column count take the lead. Okay, so to specify the width of the columns, you can use a length greater than or equal to 0. Then you can use any CSS unit except percentage. You cannot use percentage here because we need integer value, a number. So this is how this column width CSS property works. All right. So let's talk about browser support. This is a part of multi-column layout, and multi-column layout is supported by all the browsers like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Opera, IE, and Android mobile and iOS mobile as well. So hope you learned something new today. And if you are new to my channel, I suggest you to visit my channel. There are more than 200 videos already uploaded on my channel. If you visit the playlist, you can see the playlist. This is a playlist called CSS Properties, and I have created 49 videos till the date, till today, and you can see many properties are explained with simple examples. Okay, so you can visit and have a look. Also, there are few videos on WordPress as well. See, there are 16 videos, and you can get idea how few WordPress blogs and how actually WordPress works. And there are few videos on CSS properties. There is one playlist called how to learn CSS selectors. Okay, in this playlist you can find 57 videos, and all the CSS selectors that are available today are explained in this playlist. So if you are new to web, or if you are just started learning CSS HTML, then I suggest please subscribe to my channel, and you will get so many related videos, and I hope you will like that. Okay, thanks guys for your time, and see you next time around. Bye.